Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring a sentiment from the Waterfront stamp set. My friend Sandra Donald swapped with me this amazing diorama card, and I wanted to share with you how to make it. I need a piece of cardstock that is 4 1/4 by 8 inches, and I am scoring on the long side at 1 1/4, 2 1/2, 5 1/2, and 6 3/4. I'm going to fold and burnish my score lines just like this. And then I'm going to be adhering some designer series paper. Now I have chosen to use the designer series paper called Mosaic Moods. It's brand new from the catalog, and Initially, I was a little put off with this one. I didn't really like it because all I could see was the pictures that they gave us. So when I actually got my hands on it, I realized that some of the little squares, that's what was weird about these little squares, but they are shiny. And I'm like a little crow when it comes to shiny things. And the more I used it, the more I really liked it. So I'm cutting out some of the fussy cutting, some of the flowers and a hummingbird and a butterfly and a little bumblebee. They're really cute actually, and I quite like this paper now. Now that I've played with it a little bit, it's the bomb, people. It's shiny. And for one of my customers out there that wonders if any of the paper smells, this one has a little touch of a smell, probably from the shiny part. So you might want to avoid ordering it if you don't like smells. Okay, so I inked up the sentiment, "Every little kindness makes the world brighter," and I just fit it on a piece of Whisper White that I think it was like 1 1/2 by 1 1/4. This piece of designer series paper, so the back panel is 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. My front panels are 1 by 4. You need 2 of them. And then the band that goes along the front, the cardstock was 5 1/2 by 1 1/4. And the designer series paper was 1 by 5 1/2. And I'm just adhering them together. And then I just found the easiest way, and it's because I'm a box maker. I kind of figured out that if you folded one side in, and then about 1/2 inch, I just measured on Sandra's there, about 1/2 inch up, I put some adhesive, then stuck my band, and then just on that front part at about 1/2 inch up, I put some more adhesive. So you can see that's how that mechanism works. And this is small enough to fit into an envelope, and you kind of think that maybe they won't fit into an envelope, but it does. You just have to make sure that your bits and pieces don't hang off. And I'll show you, I did make my little hummingbird hang off, and I had to redo him, her, whatever. So now I'm just putting the embellishments on the card. I just made sure that it wasn't sticky from the outside, from the inside, because it will close. And if you do put it into a envelope, you do need to make sure that it's not sticking, your embellishments aren't sticking it closed. So this hummingbird I wanted right there, but you can see her tail and it's hanging out. So I had to redo that. Here's the little butterfly that I cut out. And I'm just going to put that right there. So cute, right? And I'm sure you can, like, you can't order this paper right now. If you're a customer of mine, it'll be available in June. If you are a demonstrator, you can get it May the 2nd. However, you can use a lot of different papers. I mean, Sandra used that, I can't even remember now, Animal Friends or something. So anyway, there's my diorama card. Isn't it cute? So thanks so much, Sandra, for giving me the idea. And you can see, whoopsie, and I wasn't going to cut the tail off, so I ripped her off and then put her back on so she didn't hang out. So thank you again, Sandra, for the inspiration, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.